Hello from Redmond. This month, the Education Workshop's been thinking about the phenomenon of human body mechanics and how it can influence the design of machines. We focus on the human hand to model how the skeletal system is informing the development of robotics. The lesson plan begins by introducing students to the anatomy of the human hand. Through a simple sketching exercise, they learn the name and positions of the bones in the hand. Then, using an extra wide straw, some string and a rubber band, students engineer an articulated mechanical finger that bends to demonstrate the bones of the hand in action. Next, they engineer a cardboard glove and sensorize it with strips of a conductive material called Velostat and some copper tape. When connected to an Arduino board in Excel, they can measure the flexion and extension of their own finger in a customized Excel worksheet. By attaching their glove to a mechanical finger, students can control its movement. Then, by combining their digits together, they can create a complete robotic hand. The dexterity of this hand is then put to the test by completing a series of simple tasks. The lesson concludes with students generating ideas to improve the design of both the glove and the mechanical hand. For educators looking for a lesson extension, we've included a rock, paper, scissors probability exercise, which has students use the sensorized glove and mechanical hand to play against Excel. So I hope you'll check out our lesson plans, try out our projects, and download our worksheet. And please hack our projects. We'll talk to you soon.